We're going to be starting a new unit in this course called Organ Systems. That falls under the category of, in science, called biology. And so biology is the study of living things, and organ systems are parts of our human body that allow our body to do certain jobs. For example, we've got organ systems such as our nervous system, it is our nervous system that includes our brain and our spinal cord, and which allows us to think, have mood, react to heat and temperature or pain. Our nervous system is also strongly impacted through drug use, diet, and exercise. So we're also going to look at the digestive system. And the digestive system includes organs like the stomach and the liver. It's a secondary organ in that organ system. And pretty much we'll be looking at how food travels through that system. We'll be investigating the reproductive system. We will also be studying the cardiovascular system. And that includes our heart, veins, and arteries. And what that does is it gets blood to different areas of our body, and the blood carries oxygen. So, for example, we get oxygen to our brain or our muscles so they work properly. So I'm going to draw this, we're going to backtrack a bit. I'm going to draw this little person here, because really what we're looking at is just different pieces of the body and how they work together. The last system that we're going to look at in the human body is our respiratory system. This is how we get oxygen into our body and carbon dioxide out of our body. And this system includes our lungs and our trachea, which is the pipe that lets the air in and out, and smaller parts such as alveoli in the lungs. More importantly, within the organ systems is stuff that we do and things in our environment that impact our organ systems. Okay, so we know that, for example, STDs, or sexually transmitted diseases, they're going to affect how well our reproductive system works. And if sometimes when you affect how one organ system works, you're also going to end up hurting or affecting other organ systems as well. We're going to look at microorganisms, so things like bacteria, fungus, and parasites that will affect how our organ system works. We will look at drugs, and I think it's pretty clear to most of us that drugs are going to affect your nervous system. We'll look at food choices. Okay, and it's pretty obvious that that's going to impact your digestive system, but it's also going to affect your nervous system and your mood. It's going to affect your cardiovascular system. We're going to look at exercise and how it affects our organ systems. We're going to look at mental health. And that is all.